We're back!
Bonjour. Hello.
Kamusta po kayo? And we are here again for another episode of Unboxing na Galing Kanino.
Achi.
Who's Achi?
Is our friend. No, it's not a friend. It's the sister of Daddy. It's the sister of my dad.
Yeah, it's your
And
tita,
It's my
auntie.
tita, auntie.
Yeah, and big shout out to Achi for sending us our new blind box from Pop Mart. She sent it to us through our friend who go back in the Philippines and then come back here last week. So we now received the item, so we need to unbox it now. And are you ready, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, so what can you say?
Thank you, Achi.
You're welcome.
Yeah. You let it
Okay, we're gonna show
The hero.
this one, the Hirono. But first, what we need to open first
No, wait,
is
it's a Skull Panda.
Yeah, you know.
Kuromi.
this is a Kuromi collaboration with Skull
Skull
Panda
Panda.
Pop Mart.
There's nothing. There's just an automatic.
Yeah, it's not a blind box.
Yeah.
So you see there.
And
Show them the box.
not like this. It's like this.
Yes, very very cute and beautiful.
Yeah. Someone
Like-
can get a scissor.
Like these kids, very cute and beautiful.
Someone get a scissor.
Shout out again kay Achi na hinanap sa Philippines ang item na to sa SM. Yeah, Super Mall. Thank you. Thank you.
Uncle.
So we need to open this. Okay.
So first thing is not like the blind box, but there's like a thing here. It's not the same when we peel it off.
No, it has also my melody,
Yeah, my melody
but-
one.
but maybe next time we
We'll have it.
will have it to add to our collection.
And by the way, we have two here on the unboxing box.
Only one.
No, there's two.
What? Why two? Okay, let's show this. It's Holiday, go. Okay.
I didn't mean
Those
two,
ones.
I mean one. The card.
Ah, the card. Wow, beautiful card. Look. See that?
Do you see my face?
Ito. I'm gonna spin it. And then, there you go. It says
Papa,
yeah.
Panda,
Skull Panda
Kuromi.
X Kuromi collaboration from Pop Mart and Skull Panda. Yeah.
Yeah, statement there. Very cute.
And up next, here's the box. Very beautiful box. Very made.
And this is the library. It's very tall.
Oh, the box only.
No, but her legs are like tall. Yeah.
We need to.
Scissor.
Ito. We need to give it to Mangi first.
Yeah, for chicken carrots.
Yeah, it's a very beautiful collaboration from Skull Panda. This one. Pero next time parang gusto ko
It
yung
looks like a cookie.
Wednesday naman. Wednesday collaboration. So here we go. Okay, let's flex Kuromi from top to bottom, back
Look,
and
this-
front. Ayan. So maganda yung kanya.
very
Kulay black
tall.
ang kanyang pin.
Because she loves black.
Yeah. And then it says Kuromi and Skull Panda.
And
Show the face.
here it's like it's silver. It's like a mini Kurami logo of silver.
It's like a hair clip like
Yeah,
that.
but it's a silver. It's made like glass or something. Here's that's
At the back. What's
in the back. There's just this. There's just
Ano
this
sulat?
thing. It's spelled Kuromi. And my melody. No, it didn't. It only spelled Kuromi. Look at her little legs. Mommy, let's say you can. Her hair is very like pink and Kurami. It looks like her hair looks like My Melody and Kurami. Look at her hair. It looks like Kurami and My Melody.
Show.
I know.
Hmm?
And
Yeah.
and there's a star over here. Like it's very cute. It's
Yeah,
like
if you know
plastic.
the Kuromi character, you will see that it's like a copy of Kuromi, but it transfers with Skull Panda.
Yeah. And have beautiful shoes even.
Nag-move ba yung eyes niya?
Yep, it can move.
Yeah. Okay. Movable eyes also, like the normal Skull Panda.
No.
Yes. Okay.
No.
And that's it.
Yep.
Yeah, ito yung one of the
Skull Panda, and even there's like a
yeah. Ito rin yung isa sa pinadala sa atin from Philippines. So, we move now to the next plush doll.
Barbie hero
Ah.
now.
ASMR by Dane.
This is how ASMR. This is the one where there's the hero.
Yeah.
Wait,
Yeah,
wait.
you know-
We have this first.
Yeah, the
we have.
grave-
So we're gonna X.
What's that? Gravel. Yes, we already have that one. So we
I
we
want.
want a new design.
I want the black and the mystery. I want the black and the mystery. Yeah, like all.
How about me? I want. Asan na ba yan? Yeah, I want the white hair. Who's that? Woven Woods.
Wovenwood.
Yeah, Woven Woods. Yeah, this one.
This one. This is my
Kasi-
dad's favorite.
Kasi
Brown.
yung hair niya, his hair is white,
White.
and the others are orange.
And some have browns. Okay.
This one ba?
Give me him.
Ah, we know.
Give me.
Because your hair is white also.
Okay, everyone close your eyes. Everyone close your eyes. Wait, everyone. Wait.
Yan. So, are you ready, guys?
Yay!
Okay, let's open.
One,
One, two,
two,
three.
Hey, don't close your eyes. It's
Wala
not
pa.
just a packet.
I will take it.
Yeah, it's daddy who
I
take
will
it. He's
take.
adult. He's adult.
No, because-
No, me.
Wala. This is my first time unboxing this Pop Mart.
Only our
Because,
mom.
yeah, only the mom. Only mommy
Mommy.
ko always. Oh no.
Oh no. What I did. The same thing. I'm the
Yeah,
like me.
it's okay.
Okay.
Take it,
Today.
Jane.
And now I'm gonna
Yeah.
ask the card. Where's the card? There's no card or what?
Oh, no.
Now I'm gonna get some money. Everyone, close your eyes.
No.
No, it's not here. It's not here. It's over here. Wait, I
Okay.
can.
Close your eyes, close your eyes. One, two,
It's very slippery. I
one,
know.
two.
Where is the package? Oh, here.
One, two, three. Yeah. This is my favorite. Yeah, see? What's that? Woven Woods. Yeah,
Woven
Woven Woods. Ayan na, Hachi. Ayan na ang iyong
And it
surprise.
looks like a bandage.
Hero, no? Yan, ang cute siya. Brown.
Bandage,
Brown body.
eyes, and there's a spelling over here. It's spelling for.
Fight for
Fight for
joy.
joy.
Fight for joy, yeah.
Fight for. And here there's like a house, and here there's like a bird. Two birds over here. Or maybe just a star. It's brown like a bear. Just like normal bears. I like bears. She have white hair and it's very cute.
I have white hair too, a lot.
And he cannot move his eye. Look,
Yeah, but the head. Can you move
but
the head and the
the
arms?
head,
Ah,
it
yeah, 360, ah.
360 back and the head can also.
Also, okay, the legs.
In the pony can't.
No.
And me
Sige naman.
and
Yeah.
the little
The tail, it's
ponytail. And he's a ball
Mm.
in mouth. Mouth.
Wala. Okay, ang cute niya.
And it's just, and
Where is-
look at the kitchen. It's
where-
just flowers.
Where is Gravel?
Where is Gravel? I can get
Show the
it.
card. Yeah, here's the journal series from Hirono. Yan.
Hallelujah.
Okay. Ganda rin yung set na yan. Pero may bago ngayong design, yung rabbit. But soon. Yes.
Okay. And the
So,
action figure is gray.
dali, show mo na yan. Show mo na yan.
Is gray. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da!
You already have that.
I am coming to my brother. Hello. Hello.
Once again, we would like to thank who?
Achi.
Actually, for sending these two flash dolls. Si Kuromi, Skalpanda, and si Hirono. Yan. Cute, and if the kids are happy again because they have a new doll.
Flash.
Okay, yes, and thank you also to our friend who bring this from Philippines to here in France. Thank you so much, guys. Baka meron pa pong gusto mag-sponsor dyan. Yan. Pop Mart, baka naman. Yan. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Like and subscribe.
Yeah. Good. Salamat. Bye.
Atut.
Atutelo. See you soon for the next video.